Hey guys, just wanted to show you a VR map that we created at the Souk Potholes. It's of the Deer Trail Resort ruins. There's actually a video of this place that we took with the drone on the channel as well, so you can watch that to see what this looks like in real life. But this VR that we have created with 800 to 900 photos. How many was it again? 800 photos shows what it looks like inside. So if you want to walk around inside online, here's your chance. So we're just going to show you. There's the mirror. Here's what I look like in this VR. There we go. It doesn't look like me, but it's not supposed to be me. Anyways, I'm going to show you the how it looks all around. It's pretty good, pretty close to what you really will see when you go there. Except for down in this area, you can see here, there's more of like a path that you can walk. This is where everyone gets in. Usually, most people get in through that way. We've seen it a few people when we were filming this, actually. Um, so yeah, I'm just gonna show you around. The graffiti is actually really exact. Like this is really what you'd see if you were actually walking in this area. But yeah, there's a few others that are missing, but we got the gist of it. So it's gravel on the bottom, and then you got this really nice like masonry. It was supposed to be a resort. You also got the metal beams there. There used to be a lot of wood here. It was taken down in like 2002, so it's just the rock and the metal. As you can see down, that's where the river would be down here. There's a lot of trees. We used a different video to fill in the gaps, but there's actually a river down here. We can climb down a bit, show you down there. Um, I'll say one thing is really cool is this area here. When you walk down, this is like really lifelike. Like this is almost exact to what you would see if you walked down. Besides this bush here, there's no bush here. It's just to drop off, and you can actually walk around this area here too. And then you have the drop off there, so it's very not safe. But um, if you look down here, actually, it's really intact, the brick there, but in real life, it is definitely not. It is definitely falling apart. So definitely be careful. Could collapse on you. And I also wanted to make a note that right over here, you see like this, like kind of like a square shape here with the darkness around and the blue writing. That's actually like a hole, so you can actually go down that. It goes underneath this cement, this rock area here, and you can actually climb down and hang out down there if your heart desires it. I guess I haven't done that before and wouldn't want to. We're gonna go up the stairs now into this the biggest structure. There's one over there too, so you can see, but this one is the biggest. And inside there's actually some kind of dial. I'm not exactly sure what. Do you know what this is?
Nowadays, it looks like a fire pit, but I have no idea what it was because I didn't actually get close when we were taking the photos.
Yeah, we're not really sure. We are gonna fly a drone in here, but we decided not to. We actually flew above the top of this, so if I was able, do you think I'm able to climb up top here?
Probably not. There's no way to scale things.
Okay. If I was able to climb up top there, we could go and fell down. We could get a nice view from up top, but that's fine. Okay, this is cool. This is actually exactly what it looks like. This painting down below, and um, you can actually can't really get inside this one, but you, yeah, we don't have any photos because we're using a drone, but you can actually go inside there, and it is dark. You might need a light. So, anyways, I'm gonna walk in the middle here and show you. Yeah, this might be stuck here. Hell yeah. This is definitely not easy. In real life, it's not as hard to get over that shrub. In fact, the shrub's not really there. This is another spray paint shot here, which is kind of cool. And then this is the other one here, over there. I'm going to try and make my way around to that to show you a better angle. Oh, this is cool, actually. So this is the fence. Um, Beyond the fence, like straight ahead of me, is like there used to be a parking lot there, but now there's like one parking spot for like CRD, I guess. But this is like there's picnic tables outside here, and that's where we were sitting while we filmed this. No, this fence does not have a hole in it. You cannot just walk through the fence. But yeah, that's where you'd see the front view of that right over there. And then you can see the tree there. So let's try and get up here. Oh, that was close. Oh, whatever. Anyways, up there, I've actually seen people climb up there before. I'm going to attempt it again in a second after I show you. This is just how the fence goes all around the thing. So it's very fenced off. You have to get in the spot down there, what I was telling you earlier, if you want to get in. So let's attempt to go in here. Maybe if I get over on this beam, I don't think I can make that jump, so
There's some avatars that fly, but this is one of them.
yeah, that'd be kind of useful. Oh, here we go. Just that is as easy as it is in real life too. Like you can do it just like that. Jump on a shrub. Anyways, here we go. Here's the top of that. Obviously, you can see it's not as tall as the other one, but yeah, it's still cool. I've actually never been up here before, but technically, I guess now I am. And everyone who's watching, you've been here too. So, yeah. So that's some nice graffiti. But yeah, this is pretty cool to see what it looks like inside without actually having to have been there. And I've been here a few times, so can I can see this place. Like it looks very similar to what it does in real life. So let's just go around the fence. This shrub isn't here in real life either. It's pretty. You're able to easily get out there. Oh, apparently it's. There we go. Able to get out. Oh, I almost thought I had momentum, but I didn't. Okay, I want to show you another thing here. You can actually, not in real life, because this is very dangerous, but you can actually go down to the river if you do it carefully enough. Oh, I'm going to show you something you do not want to do. That's why you're watching this video, so you don't have to do it in real life. You can actually hop. This is making me nauseous too. This is how you get down to the river. But yeah, and I am not, at least in here. So I'm actually on the river right now. The down below down here is definitely certainly death, but this is actually like the level it would have been in real life. There is no down below. The trees are definitely not below like that. This would be the bottom. So I'm in the river right now, and the waterfall would be like maybe 100 feet in front of me. So I'm actually walking down the river right now, and the Deer Trail Resort is up there. So I'm gonna go down more this way. Yeah. So and yes, I can. I'm there. Oh, you can see some river down there too. But yeah, that is how you get down in the Deer Trail Resort. That's very difficult to climb back up. So let's just die quickly here, so we can respawn. There we go, and we're back again. There's one of the towers, and there's the other one, and yeah. So that is basically the tour of the Deer Trail Resort ruins and Souk Potholes. Now you don't have to trespass to get in. Now you know what it looks like. Um, like yet again, like I said before, we created this in what program was this created in?
This one was Add Yourself Metashape, but right now you're playing it in VR chat.
There you go. You heard it. So yeah, pretty cool. 800 photos ish. So definitely a lot. And yeah, this is very fascinating. It's very, especially for people who've like been here and or have seen it and know what it looks like. Go check out the video to see the video I made of this place, see what it looks like from the drone. Unless you like this video, then yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching and hope you liked it.
Oh my gosh, we weren't recording.
Oh, really?